Meaning of feather bed.
Featherbed.
Feather bed.
Featherbed.
Featherbed. Featherbed is a term that describes a situation where someone is being excessively pampered or given an easy job with little responsibility. It can also refer to a situation where resources or benefits are being distributed unfairly, favoring certain individuals or groups over others. This term comes from the idea of literally laying on a bed filled with feathers, which would provide a soft and comfortable experience. However, it has taken on a negative connotation over time as it suggests someone is not pulling their weight or receiving undue advantages.